Welcome to TS 24 by 7. Hi, this is Swati. Today we are going to discuss about topic adding plugins to Java application. Before getting into topic, let us first understand why these plugins have been introduced. Let us talk about a problem which a general user may face while accessing any application or any system. Let us consider an application with many functions in it. Then what is the problem? Problem is an user wants to do something which is not included in the application. User want to access the function or any something which has never been added by any software vendor. This is the problem. Like a user wants to access that function but he cannot get that function. How to solve this problem? Here we have two important solutions for this problem. Let us discuss first solution. Solution 1. One solution might be export the data after exporting the data, work with the data on some different application which provides the desired functionality. After working with the data, now re-import the data. Through this procedure, we can overcome the above problem. Now let us see the solution number 2. Another option would be to extend the application by using its API if it provides one. And to go with this solution, one of the way for doing it is through plugins. That is, through plugins we can implement this solution number 2. Let us see how we implement this solution number 2. In this, chunks of external code that are accessed through the application and use its API to perform a function that the application itself cannot. That is, chunks of external code is being placed in the plugins so that it is being implemented by the programmer for performing their desired functionality on any application. These are the solutions for the above problem. One application whose API is very successful is Adobe, Photoshop. These are the plugins which are very successful. Generally, a Photoshop is written in C language and it is made as language independent. Let us see an example of Java plugin. Here we see what are the plugins that have been added onto Java application. Applet API in web browser is one of the Java plugin. Other example would be Servlet API in web server. Let us discuss some of the steps involved in this process of plugins. There are 4 steps involved in this process. First step is define an API. That is Java interface for the plugin to implement. Second step would be determine how the host application gets to know which plugins are available and where to find them. Third step, write a class loader that loads the plugin classes. The last step would be write a security manager that governs where plugins are allowed to do. These are the steps involved in the process of plugin. Let us see components of plugin, which shows the various pieces of code that help to implement all of the code. Components of plugin mechanism, that is plugin demo, is an example application. This is an example application. The various pieces of action are JVM, plugin, plugin security manager, and plugin class loader. All these are called components for example of plugin